Hello everyone. I would like to welcome you all to the BIM Coordinators Summit 2023. My name is Vitoria Luppi and today I'm going to be presenting to you Communicating BIM to non-BIM users, a guideline to improve communication skills and stand out. My aim is to discuss how communication is the key to having a successful BIM workflow inside your company, and I will also provide a guideline to improve communication skills among professionals who do not have the same BIM level. I am very excited to be here today to share with you the crucial importance of communication in BIM projects between those who use BIM and those who do not use it yet or have a small knowledge about the argument. During these next 15 minutes, we will explore how effective communication between BIM and non-BIM users can play a crucial role in the success of projects and the optimization of results. First of all, I would like to present myself. My name is Vitoria Luppi. I am a 29 years old BIM architect, currently working in a major firm in Milan, Italy, called Lombardini 22. We have a great variety of AAC professionals, and it's a very fertile environment to learn from different perspectives, but it's also a great challenge, since not all professionals use BIM as a methodology. I am originally from Brazil, but in 2019 I came to Italy to study architecture at Politecnico di Milano as a master double degree student, and I decided to continue here after graduation. I have been working as a BIM architect for 3 years from now. I know you probably heard of BIM, but I would like to highlight why we are talking about it. We are witnessing a rapid increase in BIM adoption in the construction industry, as it offers significant benefits in terms of efficiency, cost reduction, increased accuracy, and better collaboration between the different actors involved. However, in many projects, we still face unexpected challenges, and often these challenges have to do with inadequate or ineffective communication between the parts involved. I myself, even with only 3 years of experience, noticed many times the difficulties of not speaking the same digital language. My colleagues that had much more experience in the AAC field than me did not understand what I was doing with this BIM thing. It was hard to show them in practice how it does improve the project development and why they should invest some time in learning the basics of BIM, at least the main concepts. The results are not immediate. The learning curve is slow and it's difficult to see the practical side of it if you do not know the basis. That is why I would like to share with you how good communication can change their perspectives about BIM. Why learn how to communicate in a BIM team? Firstly, clear and open communication fosters a better understanding of project requirements and goals. This allows misunderstanding to be avoided and progress to be made in the right direction, reducing the risk of costly corrections at advanced stages. Secondly, good communication creates a feeling of trust among the members of the team, even if with different knowledge of BIM. Thirdly, if we learn how to communicate, we learn the strong points and the experience of each one of the members of the team. Effective communication stimulates collaboration and information sharing. With BIM, the 3D model is at the heart of everything, and proper communication allows us to exploit its full potential. The model is the source of reference and the possibility of integration and collaboration across disciplines. When all parties involved, regardless of their level of experience with BIM, are able to communicate effectively, it encourages active participation and informed decision-making. We should remember that the aim of using BIM is for better collaboration between disciplines, but it's just an instrument. we, the people, make it work or not. Communicating within a team of professionals using BIM is already a challenge, but the difficulties increase when there are team members who do not yet use this methodology. There may be digital language barriers, lack of technical knowledge, or simply a resistance to change. However, it is precisely at these times that we must recognize the invaluable value of communication. Lack of communication or poor communication can lead to serious consequences. Misinterpretations may occur, information may not be shared, or even worse, there may be significant project delays or unforeseen additional costs. A lack of communication can also create a climate of tension and frustration among team members, undermining mutual trust and effective collaboration. But to understand how to communicate BIM to non-BIM users and to stand out, we first need to understand who are we talking to. When we are in a team project, we must know our stakeholders and each one's responsibilities. But there are so many people involved with different functions, knowledge, interests, such as designers, owners, architects, clients, suppliers. So, in your opinion, do they all know or use BIM, or should they? No, and that's okay. But we still need to communicate with them without losing the benefits of BIM. So, how do we do it? How can we address these challenges and promote more effective communication between those who use BIM and those who do not yet use it? Well, here are some 10 practical suggestions to improve BIM communication and to stand out in your company. Training and awareness raising. Provide training opportunities for both team members, those who are already experienced in BIM and those who are less familiar with this methodology. Create a culture of awareness that encourages openness to change and collaboration. If possible, promote events that will talk about BIM, host professionals, share insights, and do not give up on trying. It is a slow process. Share successful BIM projects. Whether it is from your company or other companies, share completed projects as an example of good outcome, made possible by using BIM as a methodology. Try to keep it clear and simple, communicating not the technical part of the work, but how this part helped in the project development. It is true that most of the BIM outcomes are not immediate. It is proven that BIM time saving is not seen at the design early stages. But that does not mean that we cannot share some interesting tools, such as area planning, Revit, and automatic dimensions, avoiding human mistakes. Clear standards and workflows, respecting the existing ones. Do not try to impose your way of work to others. Your company was not created yesterday. You probably already have standards to work. It is much easier to explain based on something that is not new, that's something that non-BIM users already know, than codes that are difficult to understand. Establish communication channels. Create open and transparent communication channels from the beginning so that all team members feel comfortable sharing ideas, concerns, and suggestions. Make maximum use of collaboration and communication tools, such as regular meetings, project management tools, and document sharing platforms. Make it clear to each one of the team members where they can find the information. Clarity of roles and responsibilities. Clearly define the roles and responsibilities of each team member so that everyone has a clear understanding of what is expected of them and how they can contribute to the project. Make sure that the skills match the roles. Fostering team spirit. What motivates people in the company? What makes them want to work in a project, to dedicate hours and effort to make it all right? I myself feel motivated when working with a cohesive team. I am more productive and I want things to work because I feel my skills are recognized and I am important to the project. Remember that we do have to work with the colleagues 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. Promote a climate of trust, mutual respect, and team spirit. Team members must feel involved and valued for their contribution, regardless of their level of experience with BIM. Remember to recognize their efforts. Understand your public. Understanding your public and your audience is a cornerstone of effective communication, especially in the context of BIM. Whether you are collaborating with architects, engineers, contractors, or stakeholders, taking a moment to comprehend who you're addressing can make a world of difference. In the world of BIM, different professionals speak different digital languages. Architects may prioritize design aesthetics, while engineering focus on structural integrity. Contractors are concerned with construction efficiency, and stakeholders seek project success. Therefore, when communicating within BIM projects, consider: who am I talking to? Tailor your message to resonate with the needs, interests, and expectations of your audience. This not only enhances understanding, but also fosters better collaboration and ultimately contributes to the project's success. So remember, in BIM communication, understanding your audience is key. Keep an open mind, learn from other disciplines and different experiences. Listen to the different perspectives. You might be surprised about what the others can say. Each member of your team has a background and can give great insights into project developments. So respect and listen to different types of knowledge. Provide and receive feedback. Be humble. Ask your colleagues if your company's BIM standards are clear, if they're seeing the outcomes of being in the project, if they feel part of the project, if they're understanding how to use BIM. Most importantly, ask them for suggestions on how to improve. Should there be more training, more meeting time? Do not neglect your colleagues' opinions and insights. Each one has a different background and knowledge. You are in a team. Help each other grow. Do not invest only in hard skills, but also in soft skills. We all know that BIM has a lot really of hard skills to learn. But what makes you a better professional and a good leader is not ours and only your technical abilities with the BIM softwares, but how you encourage and guide your team to understand the main outcomes of BIM usage and results in a good project development. It does not make a difference if you are an amazing BIM user if you do not know how to communicate what information is inserted in the model. In conclusion, communication is the key to the success of any project, especially when it comes to BIM projects. Effective communication allows us to fully utilize this methodology and overcome any challenges that may arise. Working together, understanding the needs of each team member, and fostering open communication will bring us outstanding results. The hard skills will make us good BIM modelers, but soft skills will allow us to share information with the world. A BIM professional who knows how to communicate their work and the advantages of working in a certain way is a skilled professional. Thank you all for your attention. I am available for any questions or discussions you may have. Do not hesitate to contact me. These are my contacts and my company contacts. I hope you have a great day And I will look forward to discussing with you about what are your insights to improve BIM communication in order to stand out. Thank you.